Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's my honor this morning to continue a tradition from former Representative Sarah Ghilardi, my dear friend and former office mate, regarding Columbine. Each year she would compose a poem for Columbine, and it's my honor to repeat that, to read that poem today. Hear the voices. Hear the voices and listen. Listen to the children. Hear the voices and listen. Listen to the students. Hear the voices and listen. Listen to the teachers and the families. Hear the voices and listen. Listen to their message. Hear the message loudly, for it can come in whispers. Hear the message loudly. Someone's calling for help. Hear the message loudly. You can make a difference. Hear the voices and listen. Listen to the memories. Hear the voices and listen. Listen to the progress. Hear the voices and listen. Listen for the strengths. The strength will come in all of us. The strength will come with change, change that brings a closeness, a bond to help cover the pain, strength that will unite us and help us to believe. Believe in each other, to trust our own inner selves, to support and love each other, to stand up for what is right, to listen. Hear the voices and listen. Listen with your heart.